Hi everyone, in this video I will talk about this option trading journal with trading dashboard that I created for myself to record my option trading activity. This trading journal allows a trader to keep track of their trading performance and strategy over the period of 12 months and have a detailed overview of their monthly and overall trading activity over the period of 12 months. First of all, let me show you how to use this trading journal. You need to go to Start Tag and then key in starting month and year. After you key in the starting month and year, it will list out all the 12 months from the starting month and year. And then you need to import your account starting balance and define your strategy that you are going to use for your option trading. Next, there's a calculator provided here to help you calculate the position sizing of your trade. For example, my account net liquidation is 5,000 and I'm going to risk 2% of my account capital for a trade. It will calculate for me the maximum amount of money that I will risk in one trade. In this case, I risk 2% for my $5,000 account. It means that the maximum amount of money I will risk for one trade is $100. And then there's a calculator here for you to calculate your entry level and your target level. This one is more for stock trading. You can use this calculator to calculate your entry level or target level. Next is the trading journal. Let me do a demonstration on how to import the trade details here. First of all, you need to import your trade number. For example, now I'm on the trade number 18. You have to determine direction of the trade. Either you input long or short. So in this case, I want to short the market. And I want to short SPY, S&P 500 ETF, and my strategy, I'm using the single leg strategy. First, I will show you how to input the single leg strategy. So I will choose the long put. For the strike price, I will use the Think or Swing platform as a demonstration for you on how to record the trade details. So on Think or Swing platform, you key in ticker that you want to trade, and then select your expiration date. I choose 3rd of January 2023. Buy a put. At the money put, I select 382 strike price. So here I will key in plus 382 put with the expiration date 3rd of January 2023. When you click confirm and send, it will pop out a windows that showing you your break-even stop price, your maximum profit and maximum loss. Need to key in break-even price 378 and then your stop price at entry 382, entry date. How many contract you are trading and your net entry price. When you buy a put option or you buy a single call option, you are paying the premium to enter the trade. In this case, I am paying $3.46. In here, I will put a minus sign, $3.46. Entry commission is 65 cents. 65 cents. I need to key in my buying power. Buying power is the amount of capital that broker will block for taking this trade. In my case, around $323. So my max profit is 37877. 37877. My max loss is 323. 323. Sell on the green color, it will automatically show me the amount of risk per trade based on the details that I input here. After you confirm your trade, you send. So next, I will show an example of using double leg option trade. I will show you how to input the detail of credit spread here. Let's say I'm betting the market to going down, so I will do a vehicle spread on SPY on 20th of January. In this case, I will sell a call at 397. At the same time, I buy another call option at the higher strike price. I receive 26 cents of credit. Here I will record 397 and then I buy 398 call. So my break-even price is around 397.26. 397.26. Stop price at entry is 381. My entry date is 27th of December with one contract. So for this trade, I will receive a credit of 26 cents. So when I receive a credit, just put in the price without any minus sign. And then my entry commission is $1.30. My buying power is $74. My max profit is 26 26, and my max loss is $74. After I key in the maximum profit and maximum loss, it will show me amount of percentage of risk per trade and my risk to reward ratio. So when you close the position, you also need to key in the trade details here. Let's say I close the trade around 3rd of January and the stock price go down until 370. Just do it as an example. And then 1. So when I exit, I receive a credit. So when I receive a credit, let's say $3.50. And after I key in the closed trade details, it will show me the amount of credit I collected or paid at exit, the number of days in the trade, my total profit and loss, my return on investment, my profit and loss per day, my cumulative P&L, and my win or loss status. So let's say if your trade is still open, it will show open here, and then it will show you the days to expiration here. So in this trading journal, there is also a monthly report to keep track of your monthly trading performance and strategy. There's a drop down list here for you to select the month that you want to build, and it will list out all the trade you have taken on the selected month. So let's say if I select the April, all the trade that I taken on April will list out here, and it will show me all the details here, such as my profit and loss, my win rate, and my average profit per day. The chart here will show you your profit and loss by ticker, your account balance, your strategy performance based on your return on investment, your strategy performance based on your profit and loss, your cumulative P&L, and your account drawdown. Next is the strategy dashboard. Strategy performance dashboard lets you see how each of your individual trading strategy are performing. This allows you to identify which strategy are working well and which may need to be improved. So from the drop down list here, you can select the strategy you want, and it will list out all the trade taken using this strategy, and will show you the summary and statistics such as your profit and loss, your win rate. So for example, let's say I select long put, it will show me number of trades that I have taken, how is my win rate, profit and loss by ticker. So let's say if you want to have a look on the certain ticker, you can click on the filter button here to filter out the ticker. For example, if I only want to see my SPY trade, then I just untick all the other ticker and select only the SPY and click OK. It will show me how many profit and loss that I made from trading SPY using the bull put spread strategy. If I want to narrow down, I can also select my entry date. Here you can select what entry date you want to view, and it also will show you the statistic and the summary here. This is very useful for those who want to keep track of their option trading. When they roll a lot, then they want to keep track of their profit and loss. And then there's also a strategy statistic here for you to have a look on your monthly strategy performance based on your return on investment, show you what is the top performance strategy and which one is the bottom performance strategy. And finally, the most important part of this trading journal is the trading dashboard, which gives you a comprehensive overview of your trading activity over the period of 12 months. It will show you the overall account summary, such as your account starting balance, your ending balance, your total profit and loss, your percentage gain or loss, as well as your statistics such as your average win rate, average loss, and your number of long trade and your short trade. And the table here, it will show you your monthly profit, your monthly return on investment, your monthly winning trade, losing trade, and break-even trade. And the graph here is a dynamic graph, which means that when you're keying your details in the trading journal, it will automatically update. So the graph here will allow you to have a glance of your overall trading performance, such as your account balance, which will show you your total value of the account at a given point in time, your account drawdown, which will show you the maximum loss the account has incurred over the whole period, and your account cumulative P&L, which show the net profit or loss accumulated over the time. You can also have a glance of the overall performance of individual ticker and trading strategy to know how individual ticker and strategy have contributed to the overall performance of account as well as the monthly performance in terms of return on investment, profit and loss, and winning and losing trade. As a conclusion, I think that a trading journal with a trading dashboard like this one is very important for a trader who want to keep track of their trading activities and review the trades in order to improve their trading performance and achieve their trading goals. Thanks for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please go to the comment section below to find out more about this trading journal. This trading journal is available in both Excel and Google Sheet format, and the one you are looking now is a Google Sheet format. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give a like to this video if you enjoy it and find it helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.